was warming up outside. It's spring, and I went to turn on my air conditioner. I noticed my heater control valve was hanging up. I had to pop the hood and kind of like move it by hand. I did put some lubricant on it. It's a little bit better, but it's going out, so I thought I'd start some type of game plan to replace it. And I did some research, and this is the aftermarket part number. And obviously this is Chinese. And then I went to Honda's website and found out that the OEM part number is discontinued. I did a cross-reference. I went to Rock Auto's website, and underneath this part number, it gives you all the OEM part numbers. I searched every single OEM part number, and I found this part number. 79710 SHJ-A02. This heater control valve is for, I believe, an MDX Acura, or you can cross-reference it. And this is what you get. This is supposed to fit on my 93 Accord, but I have to remove the bracket. So I'm going to remove the bracket. This is what you get. You get a nice Denso part. But all I have to do is unbolt it from this bracket. And these bolts, this should bolt to my OEM bracket. Just moves. Well, I'm going to have to unscrew this, probably attach it, my Accord one little lever onto this little cam here, and then I have extra screws. I probably won't do this until the spring because of course I ordered the hose that goes from the heater control valve to the firewall. Actually, it goes to the heater core. Alright. And you're going to have to drain all your coolant and rebleed your system. So I'm not in a hurry. This is just a tip if you want to get a quality part. And you don't want this part might last 2 years the most. This will probably last 30 years with proper coolant changes. Alright. Take care, guys.